my sons, Leland Renegade. If I should stay, I would only be in your way. So I'll go, but I know I'm thinking of you every step of the way. And I will always love you. Yeah, I will always love you, my son. Bittersweet memories, yeah, that's all I'm taking with me. So goodbye, please don't you cry. You both know I'm not what y'all need, but I will always love you. Yes, I will always love you, my son. This world treats you kind, and I pray I'll have all you're dreaming of. And I wish you joy and happiness, but more than that I wish you love, because I will always love you. Yeah, I will always love you, my sons. I will always love you. I fucking love you. I love you both, and I will always love you. Yeah, I fucking love you, my son.